my channel, and if you're new here, then do hit the subscribe button down below and also press the bell icon just beside the subscribe button to get notified whenever I post new videos. And it's absolutely free of cost, and it won't take much of your time, but it will mean a lot to me. So do subscribe my channel. And today's video is going to be a Biotique skincare haul slash mini review kind of video. So if you are interested in knowing Biotique as a brand and Biotique skincare products, then stay tuned with me. Talking about Biotique as a brand, Biotique is advanced Ayurvedic and organic skincare and hair care brand. Now if you log into Biotique official website, I will leave Biotique official website link in the description box. Do check it out. And what I was telling is that if you log into Biotique official website, they claim that the ingredients that they use are 100% organically pure and preservative free, and there's no animal testing done. So the products that we use are cruelty free products, which is awesome. Talking about skincare, there are these 3 basic skincare steps: cleaning, toning and moisturizing. About cleaning, I would strongly recommend you guys to use this one, especially if you have pimples on your skin. This is this Biotique Bioneem purifying face wash. Now comes the second step, that's toning. And toner that I will recommend you is this Biotique Bio Cucumber Pore Tightening Toner with Himalayan waters, and it says that it's suitable for normal to oily skin types. And let me open it for you guys and show how it looks from inside. Now this is the packaging. Ml of this Bio Cucumber Toner retails for rupees 175 INR. Step is moisturizing. So the moisturizer that I will recommend you guys is this Biotique Morning Nectar Flawless Visibly Flawless Skin Moisturizer. Is suitable for all skin types. I have been using this moisturizer since more than a year now. I have almost finished 4 to 5 bottles of this moisturizer. This bottle is also almost finished, so I bought the new one, this bottle. And 120 ml of this product retails for rupees 199. And honestly, this is one of the best moisturizers that I have ever used. Next thing that I would like to talk about is a sunscreen. So all of us already know the significance of sunscreen for our skin. So be it summers, be it winters or rainy season, sun is always there above us. So we should always apply sunscreen in the daytime when we are stepping out of our house. We were talking about sunscreen, we were talking about summer. So another product that comes handy is this Biotique Bio Fruit face pack, and this is depigmentation and tan removal face pack. Let me open it for you guys and show how it looks. This is the inner packaging, and this looks somewhat like this, and this retails for rupees 199. So 75 grams of this product retails for rupees 199. Talking about tan removal, another Biotique product that comes in handy is this Biotique Bio Papaya Revitalizing Tan Removal Scrub. I think I have already mentioned about this product in one of my haul video, I think in the last Nika haul video. So if you haven't watched that video, you can go check it out. I just want to show you how much I have used this product. This is the amount of product that I have already finished using. Price of this is again rupees 199. So 75 grams of this product retails for rupees 199. So the next product that I purchased, and I have never ever tried this before, is this Biotique Gold Facial Kit. This is Biotique Gold Radiance Facial Kit with Gold Plasma. I'm pretty excited to try this one out, and very soon I will be doing a review of this facial kit on my channel. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, then do hit the subscribe button down below and also press the bell icon so that whenever I post this video, you will get notified first. It is for rupees 235. Another Biotique product, and this is the last product in my today's video that I have never ever used, is this Biotique Bio Apricot body wash. Yes, And price of this body wash, I cannot tell you much about this product because I haven't used this one. I will use this one and I'll let you know my views on this product. And this is priced at rupees 180. So 190 ml of this product retails for rupees 180. That's all in today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video and find this video informative. If yes, then do hit the subscribe button down below and also the bell icon. Also give this video a thumbs up, comment down below and share this video with your family and friends, and we'll meet you soon in my next video. Until then, bye.